Greetings, my fellow freedom lovers, sovereign thinkers. Thank you for tuning in to LO3 Podcast. My name is Craig, transmitted from the beautiful swampy mangroves of South Florida. And today's date is Friday, December 4th, 2020. This one here I just got from the Washington Times, and it's in reference. Attorney withdraws from Kyle Rittenhouse criminal case, and actually got this forwarded, transcribed from the Associated Press. It says here, California attorney for an Illinois 17-year-old accused of fatally shooting two people and wounding a third during a night of arrest in Wisconsin is extracting himself from his criminal defense after prosecutors raised ethical concerns about the lawyer. Los Angeles civil lawyer John Pierce has been the forefront of the case of Kyle Rittenhouse, who was accused in the shootings during protests in Kenosha this summer. Pierce has also worked to help secure the $2 million bail for Rittenhouse, who was bound over Thursday for trial. Kenosha County Assistant District Attorney Thomas Binger cited public records and news reports in his motion, alleging that Pierce has significant personal financial difficulties and should not be allowed to represent Rittenhouse because money that should be held in trust for the defendant may instead be used to repay attorney Pierce's numerous creditors. Shortly after the motion was filed Thursday, Pierce tweeted that he would take over all civil matters for Rittenhouse and would continue to raise funds for his defense. He said that Wisconsin attorney Mark Richards will handle the criminal case. Pierce and other conservatives have portrayed Rittenhouse as a patriot and urged supporters to donate to #FightBack Foundation to bolster his legal defense. Attorney Pierce's personal financial difficulties raise significant ethical concerns, especially when he has close ties to a substantial yet unregulated and unreported slush fund that is intended solely for the benefit of the defendant. Binger wrote in reference to the foundation. Binger argues that donations for Rittenhouse's legal defense should be held in trust, as is required of Wisconsin attorneys taking retainers to represent clients. As his legal representation shifts, the case against Rittenhouse is moving forward. A Kenosha County Court commissioner on Thursday found probable cause to proceed with the case and rejected a defense motion to dismiss a reckless endangerment and gun charge against Rittenhouse. He's also charged with homicide and attempted homicide to fatally shooting Joseph Rosenbaum and Anthony Huber and wounding Gage Grosskreutz on August 25th. The shooting happened during a night of unrest in Kenosha that followed a police shooting of Jacob Blade, a local black man who suffered paralyzing injuries. Well. So that's an interesting change of events, and that's why you always gotta do things by the book the best you can. And the fact is this, if you still believe he has a right for a good defense and a fair trial, then donate money to Kyle Rittenhouse. I've seen the videos and the video clip, and I can tell you this, based on those cases, they were going after him. And the one person, he was on the floor, like the fourth person that tried to go after him, when he pointed the rifle at this gentleman, he did comply and backed off. So he didn't just shoot him instantaneously. Remember that last report I read on Rittenhouse? They just like to exploit it. He's guilty till proven innocent. Okay, so you always got to be aware of those certain articles, folks. Observe responsibly. Look what happened to George Zimmerman. And I'm not praising for what happened. I'm not saying Trayvon Martin got what he deserved or anything like that. But when you got people just going on the hype bandwagon, exploiting it, backfires. That's why I don't support the hype, but the facts of the case. And if the jury believes it was justifiable, then they can say not guilty or do a hung jury. Remember, a juror is the most powerful person in the courtroom when it comes to the criminal cases, even civil cases. They got the final word, the final say. They can deliver a message to the state. Plain and simple. So we'll just see what happens with Rittenhouse, and hope justice will be done. And that will be it. There's a brief one here. I thank everyone for listening. Plus, feel free to download and share us throughout your social media networks. If you have any questions, comments, or something that's interesting and want to check out, whatever you do, please send your correspondence to Decorum. Furthermore, I'll leave the footnote of this article on my Spreaker page. And if you want to contact me, you can email me at lokiluck3@gmail.com or lokilucknumbers03@protonmail.com. And if you want to do a donation, that'd be cool. You can hit me at paypal.me/LokiLuck3. Once again, thank you for your time. But always remember that demoniac resistance is healthy for the soul and can liberate humanity. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Keep on spreading the love. And may your guardian spirits be with you.